Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mixer right here, and basically what these are some in-washer scent boosters. If you see, the one that we got right here is basically from the same exact brand, which is from the brand called Downy. So the one that I got on this side is the Downy Infusion Calm Lavender and Vanilla Bean scent, where for this one is the Downy Unstoppable, and this is the fresh scent. So the way how you use both of these is basically the same way. All you need to do is pour a little bit out onto the actual lid or the cap right here on top. And once you guys do that, you guys can pour it into your washing machine. And that way can help you guys make your washing machine smells a lot better. So these are only some of the scent that's available for you. There's many other ones available out there if you guys are interested. And also, if you guys notice for the size that we got right here, you guys are not only limited to these size, they do have this available in a bigger or smaller pack. So depending on how much you guys need, that is up to you guys. But regardless, if you guys get like the big pack or small pack, they all work the same way. So you can see in the bottom, this is what the product looks like for both of them. And once you guys add it into your washing machine, it's supposed to help you guys like make it smell a lot better. And the way how the product works is supposed to melt when you guys put it into your washing machine. So if you guys ever forget about how to actually use it, they do provide you guys instruction in the back. So I'm actually open both of them to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So we'll start with the lavender. All you need to do is open up the lid. And you basically want to pour it inside the lid right here. But when you guys open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. I don't want to tilt it too much because it might fall out. And once you guys open it and smell it, you can definitely smell that very strong lavender and vanilla bean scent. Next up, let me actually open this big one to show you guys what the inside looks like as well. So once you guys open this one, this is what the product looks like. So you basically want to do the same thing on here by pouring onto the lid. And once you guys do that, you can definitely pour it into your washing machine so that way you smell a lot better. And when you guys smell this one has this very strong, like fresh kind of scent. I don't know how to explain it, but it actually smells pretty good. But once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up, and then it's all set. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually show you guys how to actually use one of these to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's pour some out, and then we'll add it into the washing machine. Alright, so that should be a good amount. Let's add it into the washing machine. Alright, so all you need to do is just pour it in. And then once you guys do that, you guys can put your clothes inside and turn it on and start using it. If you guys want to add more, feel free to add more. But you definitely want to add this first before you guys add in your clothes. So for this quick test, I'm not going to add any clothes in yet. I'm actually going to clean the washer first. So the cool thing about my washing machine is the fact that it does have a washer option. So basically right here, if you can see, it does have clean washer option. So I want to use this option to clean the actual washer using the incense booster bead. So test it out. Alright, so we'll come back and check on it afterward. So if you guys listen carefully, you can definitely hear the beads that's inside, or the booster bead. And when you guys do use the product, it's supposed to melt into the washing machine, and it's supposed to help you guys boost up the smell in your washing machine, so that way all your clothes can smell really good. Alright, so we have 11 minutes left for the washing option. You can see all the beads basically all melted already, but we'll let this finish and then come back and check on it. Alright, so just finished. Let's open it up. So right off the bat, once we open up, I can definitely smell that fresh scent that's coming out from the incense booster bead. Like, I don't even need to put my head inside, I can definitely smell that scent that smells really good. So if you guys want to smell even better, you guys can add more into the actual washer. But basically that is how you guys use it. If you can see, it definitely does work. Alright, so I think I'll add that much. So now let's put it into the actual washer. Alright, so let's add it in. Once you guys do that, you guys can add in like your detergent and etc. So in this case, I'm gonna add in the Tide Pod. So here is basically what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna add in 2 of them in. So this is basically what the inside looks like. Now let's add it in. So we'll put it inside right there, and we'll close the lid and just let it do its own thing and come back and check on it. Alright, so let's turn it on. So if you guys look carefully inside, you can definitely see all the beads in there, and you can definitely see the Tide Pod working as well. So you kind of see how the beads are kind of melting as well. But I'm gonna let it do its own thing and come back and check on it once it's done. Alright, so we just finished. Let's see what it actually smells like and what it actually looks like once we're done. Alright, so once we finish, you can definitely smell like that lavender scent that's on here. But I'm actually take everything out and put it in the dryer and then see what it actually smells like afterward inside. Alright, so once we take everything out, if you guys smell the inside, you can definitely smell like the lavender and vanilla bean inside. They do mention how it should last you guys for quite a long time, like a few weeks. But I can see the product definitely does work if you guys do use it. Welcome back, guys. So nice little quick test, but definitely see actually does work. Actually works quite well. It just depends on the type of scent that you want. If you guys want like a lavender vanilla bean scent, or if you guys want the fresh scent, that is up to you guys. But both of them definitely does work if you guys want to just freshen up like your washing machine. And if you guys can see it in the video when you guys do use it, you can definitely add in like your own Tide Pod or your own detergent on here. Because when you guys use these, all it is a scent booster. It's not any like soap or detergent when you guys actually use it. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if your washing machine is not smelling too well and you guys want to freshen up a little bit with either one of these products. Whether if you guys get a big one or a small pack, that is up to you guys. But I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.